These are spicy, so... safety first. Always wear protection when you're dealing with, spice. Okay. Oh, hot. Alright. How do you do this, by the way? Hey, what? Hey, oi! What's your deal with armpits? Oi. Hey. Excuse me? Oi. Armpits. I don't think they know. Well, you're not alone. Apparently other people are also, they like armpits as well. So I don't know if you're the oddball here or if maybe we're the oddballs here. And by we, I mean those of us that don't understand the fascination with... I can't get this open. I don't want to use scissors. Or my teeth. We can't open this! Cultured cat. Hey! Are you cultured? Are you stupid? I can't open this. I'm gonna use my teeth. Don't do this. No, you may not have any. I can't get this open.